Hey everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we are going to be sublimating on 3 different types of coasters. So this one here, I'm going to be using a thermal laminating pouch here. I've had these forever and I really only use them for crafting, but they're great. So we're going to try this on our wood coaster. This one we're going to leave plain, and I did label the back. This one has NA because there's nothing on it. This one I put a little L on the back so we know that this is the lamination pouch. And last but not least, for the first time ever, I am using Polycrylic to sublimate on. And I put a little P on there so I know that that is the one that I did 2 coats of polycrylic, and I let it dry for a couple hours, and now I think we're pretty good. I think we're ready to go. Now, as for our design, in celebration of the new Jurassic World movie, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, whatever, I'm making Jurassic Park coasters. I'm so excited. I'm going to use the same design on each coaster. You might be able to notice one is a little bit bigger. Doesn't matter. This is just to see the colors and see how well it shows up and which method works the best. So I'm going to trim these down. I'm going to match them up with the coaster that fits the size of the paper. And then we're going to press it and see which one is the best. Okay, so I trimmed down my images. I have this protective layer of parchment paper. We'll put our laminate sheet down here, lamination form here. And I'm just kind of eyeballing this. I would recommend taping them down if you want them to be more precise, but for me, I'm just having fun and testing out the coating for sublimation. So here is our plain coaster. I don't want that to get on there because that might mess with our results. And here is our poly-coated coaster. Let's see, I do want them to look good because I would like to use them in my own living room, right? Don't want to waste anything. So we'll put that there. I'm going to grab another piece of butcher paper, press these bad boys, and then we will compare results. All right, friends, moment of truth here. I did move the top part away because I didn't want them to keep cooking, but I did not peek at them yet. All right, one of them's already sticking. I'm gonna assume that's our poly. Oh, it's sticking, guys. They are hot. Like I said, they just finished. All right, we're just gonna flip this over here and we'll check out the other ones while that one cools down because obviously I can't be playing with it right now. So let's peel our no coating on there. Okay, so you already see what I see there. This is our lamination sheet. Oof, it looks like we had a pressure issue, but it looks pretty good. All right, now we need to figure out our poly-coated one before we can really compare them side by side. So let's try to wrestle with that one. All right, let's see what we can come up with. Grr. Okay. So it's like stuck on there. Oof. All right, so rumor has it that this is a normal thing for the paper to get stuck on your poly-coated coasters and whatnot. And it's recommended you just take a wet cloth or sponge or paper towel, something, and you just wipe it away. So I'm probably gonna do that before we do our final side-by-side. But you can kind of see what it looks like here. Rawr. All right, let me go clean this up and then we will see all 3 coasters next to each other. All right, loves, the final product. We have our lamination covered coaster here. Looks pretty nice. I trimmed down the sides. You can see the nice coating all around, which if you're putting drinks on it, it's nice because it'll give you a little bit of extra protection. And over here we have our poly-coated coaster. You can see, even though I wiped it down and I didn't catch this, there's actually even more. So I have to go and wipe it down one more time. I would say these two are pretty similar. I mean, the poly sealant kind of gives it that lamination look regardless, but this is definitely easier and faster. But this looks a little bit nicer in person. The colors are darker. Not sure if y'all can see that. It's kind of weird how this spot's missing, and then over here it's kind of like this spot here. And then we have just our plain coaster, which did not turn out bad. So if you don't have the lamination pouches or the polycrylic coating, I think you'd be all right just pressing it as is without putting down any type of sealant or coating or anything like that. That doesn't look bad. And the fact that it's Jurassic Park and it looks very distressed kind of just goes together. So yeah, guys, let me know. What do you think? What do you do? Did I do something wrong? Did I not press it evenly? Maybe I should have did one at a time, even though when I pulled it down, there was a lot of pressure. So I thought it'd be okay there. Not sure, but I think they look good, and that's pretty simple. You know, that's how you do it. That's it, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll catch you all next time. Bye, guys.